back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Sharing a couple of succulents that I propagated a while back. As you can see, this one has some babies just sitting on top of the dirt. And look at all those roots, new plants. And this is a beautiful new growth on this plant. About to drop them on the ground. Hold on, making a mess here. So this is just a little short garden update on these propagated succulent plants. Like I said, check out these beautiful babies. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Garden update. Check out my garden playlist if you want to know the name of these plants, because I know I've named these plants. So check that out.